With a faint taste of cigarettes, you write a hallelujah song. And ain't it wonderful, feeling alright? So I tickle up your backbone. And at the break of day, you sank into a dream, you dreamer. And at the break of day, you sank into a dream, you dreamer, you dreamer, you dreamer, you dreamer. On a date by a chocolate lake down by the Rotary, and past town at the edge looking